Hello, everyone. It's Optimus Prime. I want to do a quick update for you guys. I found three more out the front knives that I forgot I had, or rather, I didn't get on my pile of knives. So let me show this. This is a Trump knife. Got the gun show a few years back. And that's got a plain edge tanto blade there. I like the flag print on it. Here we have this little tiny one here with like a 1-inch blade. And this is by let's see, I think it's on the pocket clip. Lightning. As your brand right there. And I have this one here looks like a little hand grenade. It's got a pocket clip. I bought this at a yard sale a couple years ago. A little small plain edge blade there. And they're fun to play with, see. I'm easily annoyed, or amused. Well, I'm easily annoyed too. But pretty nice. Alright. Well, I just wanted to show you those.